Crystal clear picture. This DisplayPort cable with latches supports resolution of up to 2560 by 1600 and a maximum bandwidth of 10.8 gigabits per second, perfect for multimedia applications. Create a secure connection. To prevent accidental disconnections between your DisplayPort devices, this DP cable is designed with molded latching connectors and added strain relief. Great for multitasking. Increase your productivity by using this HDCP and DPCP capable DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable to connect an additional monitor to your computer. Versatile functionality. At 20 feet in length, this DisplayPort cable with latches is great for hooking up your DP-equipped computer or entertainment equipment in your office or boardroom. Molded latching connector secures the cable against accidental disconnection. Provides a clear digital audio-video signal. Designed and manufactured to DisplayPort standards. Molded latching connectors with strain relief. Supports the DPCP, DisplayPort content protection, standard in addition to HDCP. Top reviews from the United States. This is the perfect cable I've ever used. I had 3 different 2K monitors and always used cables with cames with monitors. So many problems with games, always laggy. Now I am using ViewSonic XG2703G S2K monitor, GSYNC. After this cable I've no lag problems. Everything is so smooth. I did read something about 20 pins 19 pins problems. And for this cable, people wrote it's 19 pins, 20 pin is not active. If you need DP cable, this is what you need.